Alright. Gauges are going funny. The voltmeter is reading 9 point, well, not nearly the right voltage here. Oh, there goes the gauges.